as charging became part of our life and we do this once or even 2 or 3 times a day with our phones, our headphones or our watches, and you are tired to do this and all these cables, so we need to move them. And here comes these beauties: Moshi Launch Q and Moshi Otto Q wireless chargers. Let's check them. Bigger brother Launch Q and a little guy Otto Q. Cheese certified wireless charger, charge with a case up to 5mm and fast charging up to 15 watts. This one has the adjustable stand, and the big advantage of Moshi products is global 10-year warranty. You can see here and here, and you have a sticker here. Back on the box, just scratch it to reveal authentication code and just enter in Moshi website. Here it's just the same. Enough for the boxes, let's open these beauties. How it looks like Otto Q, the beauty of minimalism. So, Launch Q and Otto Q. This is the Moshi Launch Q wireless charging stand with Nordic grey color and all the premium materials you can expect from a wireless charger and a lot more. We have branding everywhere, aluminum stand and stainless steel rails. This is not only a wireless charger, this is a piece of art. As Moshi says, inspired by the Scandinavian furniture design, Launch Q keeps your phone in a view while charging it wirelessly. Unlike other charging stands, this wireless charger features an adjustable head design to accommodate phones of all sizes and fast charge your phone up to 15 watts. It also allows you to charge in both portrait and landscape mode. And if you just want to switch from a portrait mode to a landscape mode, just slide it down and put your phone back. Now you can charge your phone until you are watching a movie or you are just sliding through your social media feed. Launch Q features adjustable rails that let you position your charger to accommodate any device size for optimal efficiency. You can slide it down or you can slide it up for a portrait mode or for a different size device. Just go it down or go it up, and you have here a holder for your cable, which is rubberized, so it will just look sleeker and beautiful. And you have dual LEDs, one on this side and one on the other side, and you will ensure that you are charging your device. Launch Q and Otto Q are compatible with all wireless charging devices, and of course if your device is supporting fast wireless charging, Launch Q and Otto Q will support it also. Of course, Launch Q and Otto Q Q-Coil design features a ferrite sheet that is thicker than the competition, allowing for wireless charging even through cases up to 5mm thick. And here is my phone with its case and perfectly working wireless charging. You can see this silicone ring here, which is holding your phone securely and it will not slip from the charger. We have that silicone here also on the base stand, and that microfiber is also here on this aluminum stand. Of course, the aluminum stand itself has that silicone, it is very stable. Same goes for Otto Q, the same silicone down there under the aluminum, and here that silicone ring around the Moshi brand. Of course, both wireless chargers features a USB-C charging cable. The one on the Otto Q is a USB-C to USB-C, and the one on the Launch Q is fixed from one side to the charger, and on the other side, of course, it's USB-C again. Maybe this is just the one disadvantage which I find for these two chargers, but maybe not, because if you look at the future, everything goes to USB-C. So for me, LaunchQ is the perfect wireless charger for your home or for your office next to your working stand, and of course it will become the beauty on your working desk. And if you want to go cheaper and select an AutoQ, it will just do the job. It's with this big stand and sleek design will just charge everything you put on it. This is all I can say about these two guys. They just bring the beauty of charging in our life. And finally the price. AutoQ is $40 and LaunchQ is $70. Of course, links will be in video description. If you like this video and if this video helps you somehow, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.